welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Thobeka.Mthembu, but everybody calls me Toby Rose on all my social media. And welcome to the tribe, welcome to my amazing channel. I do all things lifestyle, travel, black love, and all things in between, like having amazing conversations. Today is all about, if you can tell by the title, all things packing for your trip. So whether it is a flight that you're taking or taking a road trip, these are tips and tricks how I prepare for travel, and then you will get to pack with me for an upcoming trip happening very, very soon. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope it's educational, and I hope it allows you to learn a few tips and tricks from me, having learned a lot of this from traveling myself. So let's get right into the video. So before we actually get into the video, do not forget you have to be a part of the tribe, and to do that you need to press the subscribe button, the red subscribe button below. Be a part of it. Like this video, a huge thumbs up really helps get my videos seen by new people, and we're trying to be global up here. We're trying to get a whole lot of views, so let's try and get 1,000 thumbs up for this video. Please do the things that need to be done. All right, so we're gonna start with the first segment of today's video is how do I prepare for my travels. I'm gonna share a few tips with you guys. I hope that these help, and I hope that you get a lot of inspiration from this video. All right, so the first thing that I do is I pre-prepare. All right, so if I know that I am going to, let's say, the bush or the beach or a city escape, I pre-prepare for that trip. And how I do that is that I use Instagram, number one, I use Pinterest, number two, number three, Google, right? So I will basically, for example, I'm going on a bush escape, I'm going to the bush, and so what I'll do is that I will possibly put in the place that I'm going to. Let's say I'm going to the Kruger National Park. I will search Kruger National Park on Instagram. It will show me everyone who's probably been there, and I'll be able to kind of get the feel and look of the place, and I will be able to see like what can I pack, what type of vibe is it, where do I take cool photos. You get a lot of inspiration by doing that on Instagram. The second thing is using Pinterest. Pinterest is absolutely amazing for inspiration, so you can also just type in the inspiration you want. So whether it is looks for the bush, vacation pics, beach photos, it will have all of that come up for you. You'll be able to get a lot of inspiration in terms of the looks you're looking for, inspiration with images, poses, all of that is there for you to actually get for free. The third thing is using YouTube or Google. Actually, Google the place you're going to, find out a lot of information about it, find out where people take photos, where are the best spots to visit. This helps with preparing and actually packing. The second thing I do is check the weather, and I do this literally a day before I go on my trip. So if I know that it's going to be a little bit warm, it's going to be a bit cold, it's going to be chilly, this is how it's going to be in the morning, I can better prepare my looks, I can better prepare what I'm packing, and it really helps just take the slip out of saying you're going to this place, you thought it was going to be hot and it's cold, and now you haven't prepared, you haven't packed for that. So be sure to check out the weather forecast the day before you leave, which is possibly the day you're going to be packing. So make sure to always do that. The third thing you want to do is, once you've checked the weather, once you've got your inspiration and your aesthetic feel about the look and the looks that you're going to do, is to prepare your outfits. All right, so don't just pack off the limb of just packing. Prepare your outfits in pants, jean, top, jacket, earrings, accessories. Prepare all of that and put it on your bed. So I will usually say I'm going for 3 nights. I will prepare 3 different outfits for each day, different looks. I'll make sure it's kind of cohesive, so that if I do feel like mixing and matching, I can take a look from here and a look from there and put that together. But it really just helps save you time and energy for when you're on your trip and saying, "Whoa, what should I wear?" You already have your stuff prepared, and so it's even easier when you pack. You pack in outfits. So whatever you do, lay out your clothes on your bed or on hangers so you can see them. You can already start seeing the look and the feel. Chop, change, and just be creative in the way that you do this. But it really just helps in timing and in preparing you when you're traveling. is always carry with you an extra jacket and an extra raincoat just in case. I always pack an extra of that, and then I also always pack 2 extra outfits. So the 2 extra outfits are normally, let's say, a dress or an extra jean or an extra pants or an extra t-shirt. So don't just, if you're going away for 3 days, pack 3 outfits. Make sure you pack at least 2 extra ones that are lightweight and that are easy for you to interchange with another outfit. After that, another amazing tip is to pack in packing cubes. I will show you examples, don't worry. So I got mine on Take A Lot. Read all of the reviews so that you don't buy the really bad quality ones. There's so many that you can choose from. They're like inexpensive. You can also check on other sites, but I got mine on Take A Lot, and this is how they look. And yeah, they normally come in a pack of like 6. They are perfect. So I used to do the whole rolling thing, which is also a great thing, but with the packing cubes, it just locks everything, and it really just puts all your outfits and everything in one. It's perfect, and it really is a good use of space when you're packing your clothes. Another tip or preparation that I do, I usually will be very minimalistic in terms of shoes. I will pack probably only 3 pairs, shoes that are easily interchangeable with different outfits. I will usually pack 1 pair of really good sneakers that I can wear with different pairs of outfits, and then I'll always pack slops or flat shoes, and then I always pack a 3rd pair. So with this, it's winter, so I'll probably pack a pair of boots that are cute and flat. Another tip or trick that I use, always pack 1 scent per trip. It really helps you like have the look and feel of your particular trip you're going to. So I will pack a specific perfume that will remind me of the place I'm going to. It really is a great tip. The last one that I always do is always pack a moon bag, because if you are traveling and you love doing adventure or walking around a little town or area and exploring, it's great to have a place where you can store your little ID, your little stuff, lip gloss, lipstick, whatever it is. And a moon bag / fanny pack is a perfect little adventure or travel accessory that you need when you're traveling. So next up is essentials that you need when you are traveling, and essentials that I always have with me when I am traveling. Number 1 is masks. Okay, so I always have these disposable masks when I'm traveling. I make sure I go to Dis-Chem, I stock up. I usually will have an extra mask in my handbag with me just in case one of them breaks, and I change them every day. I don't care if I didn't wear it for long or what for 2 hours or 3 hours. You literally can buy a whole pack of these for 100 Rand at Dis-Chem. The second thing I do is always pack my vitamins. I use this particular vitamin packer organizer that I also got at Dis-Chem. You can go purchase it at Dis-Chem or Clicks or any one of those little stores. I literally put all my vitamins. So I usually will put vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc. What else do I put? Multivitamin and a probiotic. So I put all of those in my little organizer, and I know that every day I know I'll be taking my vitamins. Also pack your medicines that you need. Do not forget to do that, because when you're on holiday, sometimes it's so far to go to like a little Clicks or a place to get your medicine. So I always pack with me paracetamol, some ginger tea, and I always pack with me something that will just help if I have a fever or I'm feeling like a little bit fluish. So make sure you put that in a nice little bag and that you are ready to go when you're going on your holiday. Third thing I always pack, obviously if I've looked at my aesthetics and I know where I'm going, is I always have a little bubble bath with me. A lot of the time when you're on these holidays, they will put, you know, certain things that you can use, such as lotion, hand lotion, and all of that for showering. But I love carrying my own bubble bath, and if I want to create those really nice, aesthetically pleasing bubble bath images, I know that I will have the perfect image if I bring my own bubble bath. The next thing I do is always bring with me a little speaker or something so I can play music, especially if it is a place like an inner city place where it's alone. But obviously please do respect your guests and respect other guests, and don't bring a speaker if you know that you are in close proximity with your neighbor. Luckily for us, where we're going, we're like a little bit far away from everyone, so we'll be able to have, you know, the speaker there to listen to podcasts in the morning, good music while I'm showering, and it's a great little accessory to bring along with you if you're going on holiday. The next one is obviously your sunscreen. Do not forget your sunscreen, whether it's winter, summer, spring or autumn. I always have my sunscreen with me. This includes obviously everything else that you're going to need on your holiday. These are just little things that I think we all forget and we need to write down when you're planning little trips. So bring your sunscreen. Do not forget to pack your sunscreen wherever you go. And then I love to bring a few other little accessories like a hat, a cap if you know, I don't wear caps, but you know, a hat, a cap, something that's going to help with the sun, but also that's great for aesthetics and your images if you want to get those amazing images on holiday. Scarves, nice little accessories that are just going to make your images stick out and make your outfits elevated. And then lastly, do not forget your particulars, which is your ID, your license, if there's certain vaccines or yellow fevers and all of that you need, pack that in one place so that you know you have it, and that, you know, wherever you are, you sorted, you have all of that. Obviously this video has not included stuff like, you know, bathing stuff, all of that stuff. Those are things you should already have. Another tip is write this down. So everything I've shared here is something you can easily listen to, watch, and write on a piece of paper so that when you're traveling anyway, you have that little to-do list, and all you're doing is ticking off as you go. So whether it's saying putting your outfits together, tick. Have you put 3 bras? Tick. Have you put underwear? Tick. Have you put all your vitamins? Tick. So be able to write this down and really just start ticking off, so that when you are packing the day before or the week before, as some people like doing, I love packing the night before or even on the day, depending on how early I'm leaving, you're able to tick as you pack. I hope this was informative and you loved it, and I will be leaving a little bit more little videos for you guys to see as I actually go through my packing and show you guys how my bag looks at the end of the packing. So enjoy this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as I enjoyed creating it for you. Do not forget to be a part of the tribe. Subscribe below, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know if there's anything else that I left out, or let me know if there's anything that you love doing when you are planning your travel trip. I will be leaving a little bit of a little to do when you're packing, so you guys can just kind of screen grab that, use it if you use it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Mwah. So as I said, here are all my essentials, packed them away, medicine and everything else is in this one. Here is my clothing without the extra jackets. Here is a few hats, some bras, some costume stuff and PJs. That's my moon bag. This is where I put my toothbrush, toothpaste, lotions, toiletry bag. This is my makeup bag with all my little makeup, and this is my accessory bag. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack everything. The shoes are already in the bag with the socks, and underwear is there, so the rest is gonna go in there. And then the last thing is packing this jacket, my Zara jacket, which I won't pack. I will just wear it tomorrow as we leave. And then I'm packing this beautiful trench that I got from Canon M50 a while back. I'm gonna put that in my little there's a little black bag, like overnight bag that I have, that's a soft bag. Let me show you it. So this is my little, I know it's a bit dirty, but don't look at that, it's a little rusty, but it's a cute little bag where I basically put in items that don't necessarily fit in here. I will put in here. So in here probably it will be my makeup bag, my accessory bag, my moon bag. Will probably fit in here with the trench coat. And yeah, so let's put all of these things in the bag. And yeah, what else will fit in here, which is not on the list, is like my laptop charger, my camera bag, camera stuff, all those little things, and the hat over there. Oops, that hat there for photos. I packed a soft hat in here. So yeah, I think we are good. All my other electric stuff, charger, all of that will all go in here so that I know where it is. And then we're ready. So yeah, let's pack. And that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to ask me anything, just send me a DM or comment below.